Walk one. So in this video I am cooking stew beef. I am actually using beef soup bones because I prefer more bones than meat. So I went ahead and cleaned it up off camera. Now I am seasoning it with a variety of spices. If you will be following this recipe, you don't have to use spices, or you don't have to use the spices that I use, but I will write the name of the spices in the description box. I also added crushed pimento and about 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. I am also adding mince, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, add pepper, and piece of red sweet pepper mince. I am also adding food browning, not a lot. So this is the beef. Now I'm gonna cook it. Okay, so I put a pot on medium heat with about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, added the beef, and now I'm gonna stir it, cover it up, and allow it to generate its own juice and cook. This is a very important step because this is where the meat will develop the gravy from the beginning and also develop its flavor. So this step for me is very important. So as you can see, it's still cooking in its own juice, right? Just before the juice dries out, I am gonna add water, about 2 cups of water, or enough water to cover the beef, and I am allowing the beef to cook on high heat. Gonna keep adding water until the beef is cooked. So as you can see, the beef is cooked. So now I am adding ketchup, which is totally optional but not for me. And this is the stew beef, right? Thanks for watching.